So the whole idea of it is to pick up vehicles that have got no ground clearance. So the beauty of it is when it comes off the back of the truck itself, it actually sits very flat on the ground. Hino's using it as part of their association with V8 Supercars. So with the V8 Supercars, because they're like that far off the ground, you can actually get them straight onto the back, and then the whole thing gets up onto the back. So yes, we use it with the V8 Supercars, but you can use it for any application in picking up motor vehicles or anything else where you need to have that easy entry. So when we use the big tilt tray, you end up with an angle so that you've got an issue to get things up onto it. You can't push it up onto a normal tilt tray. Where with the zero tilt, because the whole thing sits flat on the ground, you could actually just push a car onto it, latch it on, and then pick it up and put it onto the back of the truck. So that actually makes life very easy for recovery work where you're in a situation where you've got little room or it's a low vehicle to the ground. So it makes life easy to use.